Working smarter has become more important than working harder, especially in today's fast digital world. Many people feel busy all the day but still struggle to finish the important task in time. This is where AI tool can make a big difference. AI tools are not here to replace humans but to help us by saving time, reduce stress and focus on what really matters. In this video, I will explain how you can work smarter with AI tools in your daily work life, even if you are a beginner and not a very technical person. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description whenever I mention AI tools or platforms. By using the description link, any available benefit or special access that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, the biggest way AI helps us work smarter is by saving time on repetitive tasks. Many daily tasks like writing emails, replying to messages, summarizing documents, or creating basic content that can be done by faster with AI. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can use AI to generate a fast draft and then simply you can edit that. This reduces the mental pressure and helps you to move faster without losing the quality. Another important area where AI helps is research and learning. Normally, finding information that requires many opening browser tabs, reading long articles, and trying to understand what is useful. AI tool can summarize long content, explain complex topics in simple language, and even answer the follow-up questions. This means you spend less time to searching and more time actually understanding and applying the information. AI tools are very useful for planning and organization. You can use AI to create daily schedule, plan the project, or break big tasks into smaller steps, and even set the priorities. When your work is organized clearly, you waste less time to deciding what to do next. And this helps you to stay focused and avoid the procrastination. For people who work online or run business, AI can help with content creation and marketing. Writing social media posts, blog ideas, video scripts, or product descriptions that becomes much easier with AI support. You still control the final message, but AI helps you think faster and stay consistent. This is especially helpful when you feel tired or lack the creative ideas. AI tools also help to improve the communication. You can use AI to rewrite messages in a more professional or friendly tone. You can fix grammar mistakes or simplify the complex explanations. This is very useful for emails, client communication, or customer support. Clear communication saves time and avoids the misunderstanding. Another smart way to use AI is for decision support. Some AI tools help analyze data, compare options, or highlight the important patterns. This can help you make better decisions instead of guessing. Even simple insights can improve how you manage time, money, or resources. However, working smarter with AI does not mean depending on AI for everything. The key is to use AI as a helper, not as your brain. You should always review the output or adjust it to your needs and add your own experience and judgment. AI works best when combined with the human thinking. To get best results, start small. Choose one or two tasks where you feel stuck or slow and try using AI there. As you become more comfortable, you can slowly use AI in more areas of your work. Do not try to change everything in one day. Also, remember that learning how to give good instruction to AI is very important. The clearer you request, the better the result. Think of AI like a smart assistant that needs clear direction to help you properly. So in the end, working smarter with AI tools is about using technology to support your goals, not overwhelming you. When you used it correctly, AI can help you save time, reduce stress, and focus on work that truly matters. So that's how you can start working smarter with AI tools in your daily life and business. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to be more productive. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.